What? Imagine me working from home. Like, you cannot have a bad day at work working from home in this set. What? This is for sure. I'm telling you, for sure, gonna be a look, okay? She's all about her money. She's giving business, but she's still a bad bitch and she cute, and we're never gonna forget that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Erin Yvette. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I just recently picked up for my first haul of 2022. 21 went by so fast, but one thing I did say that I wanted to do more this year is fashion hauls, getting my closet back together, just really getting in that groove of leaving the house. I feel like the past year and a half I haven't really shopped because where am I gonna wear my stuff and where am I gonna go, you know? So if you want to see what your girl picked up from Shein side, definitely like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you are not. Let's hop right into it. So first off, I want to get more like diverse, give a little bit more variety when it comes to my hauls, because when I used to shop on Shein, I used to buy absolutely everything. I mean, loungewear, clothing, shoes, homeware. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is going to be a pair of shoes. I've been eyeing these shoes for like 3 months, and I just felt like they would be perfect for any outfit. Looking ahead, just being honest, I'm looking at springtime, and I feel like these shoes could take me year round. Super cute, but the best part about them is they're giving fine auntie. They're giving luxury, and it's also giving comfort. I definitely feel like I could take these shoes on any vacation. I could wear these for any amount of time because the heel is super like beginner friendly, really comfortable, really low, and it's also chunky as well. It just has a nice metallic gold. It's not like an old gold, so it looks really nice. I feel like I can dress up outfits, and I can even wear this with jeans if I wanted to keep it really simple. Got these in a size 38, and I usually wear a size US 7. I'm gonna lie, the older I get, the more I see myself dressing like a glammed out version of my mom, because these are definitely some shoes that my mom would wear, for sure. So I did do my nails today, you guys, and I've been doing my nails a lot lately in my home, especially due to COVID, just not wanting to expose myself so much in the salons. And so I didn't know that Shein actually has a full like nail, pretty much everything you can think of. You know, it is an Asian-based site, so they do sell wigs now. They also sell nail tools. So if you are a nail tech or if you work in a salon, you can buy all of your products pretty much from Shein. So I picked up a few things. The first is going to be this She Glam, I guess is their brand, their Blooming Nails Cuticle Oil. Y'all, like, don't sleep, okay? It looks like polish. It comes with like a brush applicator on it, but it literally is a amazingly, I don't even know. It's a light oil. It is kind of slightly perfumed, but it smells really good. It also has like some blossoms in there. I don't know what kind of buds those are, but actual real flowers. And I just love that. And I'll apply a little bit to my fingers. LED light. So I just put my hands underneath the light, and y'all, it looked like a fresh set. To me, this made my nails look like I just stepped out of a salon. Absolutely love a set of professional nail tools, and I believe these were less than $5 as well. I got a whole pack of like, I don't even know, it just comes with a lot of different buffers and filers and things like that. And one thing I have learned about doing my nails is that the tools matter. So these were decent quality, and they made my nails super easy. Love them. Moving into fashion, this might be a little bit all over the place because like I said, I got some going out clothes, nighttime clothes, winter clothes, sweaters. I got a lot of different stuff, so we're gonna break this down piece by piece. First piece that I got is actually a dress, and I'm really shocked because the dress is actually great quality. It's like a lime green / mustard yellowy color. It's looking green on camera, but it actually looks a little bit more yellow in person. I love it, okay? I love it. Because when I saw it on the site, I was a little conflicted. I was like, it's cute, but I don't know if I'm weird. Then I was like, I gotta stop buying stuff that I will always wear. I wanna buy something that's different. Honey, when I tell you this is that, this is giving me comfort, but slayage. You know what I mean? Like, I wanted some more brunch time pieces, but something that wasn't doing too much. And this is doing a lot. But it's so cute and it's so comfortable looking that I'm okay with it. Triple layered though. It's a super heavy dress, y'all. You're not gonna see through it. The sleeves have a little bit of mesh, but the body of the dress itself is just kind of like ruched and ruffly. And I just feel like this dress is going to give me hella body. So it is one sleeve. You do kind of have a little bit of exposure on the shoulder area, and then you have long sleeves with ruffles around the wrist, which I feel like gives me a very sexy, because of my shoulders, but feminine because of the ruffles. So even though this is kind of like a springy dress for me, I feel like this would be really great year round, especially for brunch season coming up. You already know. Speaking of brunch, the next dress that I received from Shein is going to be this yellow dress right here. I don't know what's going on with me in colors. It is still winter time. Literally here today in Florida, it just got cold. We had a hot Christmas and a hot Thanksgiving, but it just got cold today, so we'll see. I don't know. Even though it is winter time, your girl is buying springtime clothes apparently. This dress just screams luxury to me. It comes down, I want to say, to your knees or a little bit past your knees. It is like a spaghetti strap top, super flowy, yellow, bright color, but the fabric is kind of what stood out to me. It's giving, like, I don't even know what this type of material would be. It's like a satiny type of silky material. It is double layered, but the dress itself is just giving rich bitch, like, I'm here to slay. I make 6 figures. I mind my business. I drink my water. I do my skincare on weekends. Like, I love this. I absolutely love this dress. I feel like it's super cute with my hair. Okay, so I did get this hat. So I like hats. I like collecting different types of hats. So like big floppy hats, baseball caps. But when I saw this hat right here, I was like, oh my God. And I got this hat because I got a pair of pants to match it. And I feel like when I go to Houston, this is for sure, I'm telling you, for sure, gonna be a look, okay? I can't really try the hat on with my hair, but it's just giving slayage, all right? This would be perfect also if my lace was messed up, but I just can't wait to wear this with some curls, some flexi rods, something, and just sit it on top and just have like a whole vibe. Like, I wanna walk around the city and run errands in this outfit. Super duper cute, but I just want everybody to see it. And the reason why I got that is because I got my pants finally. If you have been watching my vlogs, you know I've been eyeing these pants probably for over a year. When these pants first, I mean, they've been in style, but when they first came back in style on Fashion Nova, I was like, I want these pants. The reason I didn't buy them from Fashion Nova is because I knew they weren't going to fit me right. Like, Fashion Nova bottoms are kind of iffy, and I just knew this material was not gonna work for me. I really am curious to see like how these are gonna fit. They're a little bit heavier than I thought they were gonna be, so I'm excited about that. It's not giving a super cheap material. Now, don't get me wrong, they are a little cheap, especially on the inside. They're giving kind of like jegging, and they're not really giving like fit and snug and snatch, which I like because you don't want to look tight and stiff and stuffed in a pair of pants. But we'll see how they fit. I got mine, I want to say, in a size 2, I think. So I got a few lounge sets. The first set that I got is going to be this emerald green one, super duper cute. I just felt like, you know, I'm in one of those moods when I work from home, when I wake up in the morning and I do my skincare on the weekends, no matter what I'm doing, I want to be a bad bitch. Like, I want to feel my best self. And I just love that Shein gives you so many affordable options to where you don't have to feel bad about spoiling yourself. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to feel bad about giving yourself a little bit of luxury. And this is definitely screaming bad bitch to me. Like, this makes me want to go and do my bedtime routine right now. My skincare, shave all my legs, honey, all of them. Put this on and feel really sexy in my sheet. I cannot wait for this, honey. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I actually love this. Super lightweight. It's not giving cheap at all. Absolutely love the color. Gorgeous. You guys will be seeing this on my timeline. The next loungewear that I got is going to be a set, and it is in this beautiful, I want to say like yellow, old gold, more so yellow, mustardy color. I'm loving this color for some reason, but y'all, when I saw this set, I saved it in my favorites on Shein, and this was literally one of the first things in my cart. I knew I could not buy anything without buying this set, and I'm so glad I did. I'm about to buy another one. They have this in other colors as well, but it's literally just not only the quality for me, because the hemming is perfect, it's the color. The color is giving me, bitch, I make money. Like, I does this, okay? What? Imagine me working from home. Like, you cannot have a bad day at work working from home in this set. What? Yes! I'm here for this. Stupid cute. There's really not much I can say. It's a button up. It's satin. It feels good. It look, girl, buy this now. Or the last lounge bit. And it's going to be this, what is this? Like a champagne beigey nightgown. I don't know if guys like this. These are for me. Ladies, these are for you for real. Like, these are like great to walk around the house in. I feel like when I get out the shower, I can throw these on. When I'm painting my toes, doing my skincare, anytime I just want to feel feminine and girly, I could throw this on. Now, I remember at one point people were trying to make this fashion and wear this outside the house. Do you, hun? Do you? I feel like for me personally, I would do it depending on the event and the silhouette of the nightgown. I don't think this is something I would wear outside just because the waist is not snatched. So it's not really gonna give me anything but nightgown. But you know, some things you can get away with. I don't know if this is one of them, okay? But you do you, sis, you do you. Got this top. I'm not sure if Ashley Devonna had this top or somebody else that I saw. But ever since, I was like, oh my God, I have to get this top. It's super cute. It's a satin type top with a white collar, and it has like a cow neck detail, which if you are slim chested like I am, small chested, then a cow neck is going to be one of your best friends because it's going to give you a little bit of flirtation, a little bit of extra volume. I feel like it just gives what I call a chest flare. It's not there, but I can imagine, you know, a little vroom vroom. So yeah, I love tops like this, and I feel like this color just screams, look, this color is gorgeous on all skin tones. Like literally, this color blush screams feminine. And you know, February is coming up, date nights are coming up, and this is just screaming, let's go grab a drink with a skirt. Even lately, now that I'm in corporate America, going out for drinks with your coworkers, doing like any type of work event, you're going to need things that kind of are a mix between workplace and fun and flair, and I feel like this gives that. This is, she's all about her money, she's giving business, but she's still a bad bitch and she cute, and we're never gonna forget that. To me, it's giving like Chanel inspired, but really, really cute. It's got like this khaki and white type pattern on the front, and then it has hints and accents of navy blue. It also has faux pearls lined across the front as well. And when I say that this is a very plush, comfy sweater, this thing is so cute, and it's giving girly, it's giving, yes. There's really not much I can say about this. This is coming from their line Daisy, and I love their more like professional, I think they have motif, or they just have so many different like lines coming from Shein, and this honestly has to be one of my favorite. Absolutely love this sweater. And of course, I'll leave it linked down below. I would even wear it with those pants. Ooh. I will say this is one of my favorite types of patterns. I love wearing dresses like this. I love wearing tops and whatnot. Now the top does look a little bit wide, so what size is this dress? This is a US 4. I don't know why I got a size US 4. Like, there's US 4s are big, and I don't know what. It's like from 2 to 4, I don't know what happens, but this is a little wide. It might fit, so I am gonna try it on. It's cute. I love the cutout of this dress because when they're boxy like this, usually they're literally cut to fit the curves. Okay, now I don't have a lot of curves, but luckily with the way that these dresses are made, they kind of give you faux curves as well. So we'll see if it's giving what it's supposed to give or not. But the color is just pink, and then it has like a little bit of a corally accent, flowers on top, lace flowers of course. If this dress does not scream flirtation and girly, I don't know what does. But I don't, okay, so I don't really have Valentine's Day plans, and I don't know if I even have a Valentine. But I do know, baby, that I'm gonna be fine as hell. And this is definitely a dress that I would wear if I was spending Valentine's Day by myself, because it's not doing too much, but it's still really, really cute, and I just love it. So I would definitely wear this if I was taking myself out for Valentine's Day, for sure. Love. This scarf is super long and super soft, okay? Like she's really soft. Like, ooh, she's really soft. So I don't regret buying it, but I definitely did not mean to. You can definitely wear these scarves any way you want. You can dress them up, dress them down. It's giving rich bish for sure. Love it. So yeah, if you didn't know, Shein has tons of really cute scarves, but I probably would have got a different color. Alright y'all, that's everything that I have to show you from this haul from Shein. Make sure you comment down below, y'all. Let me know what you liked. It's hard, honestly. This is one of the best hauls that I've done in a while. Absolutely love everything that I got. So I don't really know like what was, honestly, no lie. My favorites were the loungewear. I gotta stop being a boring in the house person, but I love them. I love pajamas, I love socks. So that's pretty much my favorite thing from this haul. Let me know what you think your favorite thing is down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.